Alright. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can you all hear me? One second. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Can I get a yes in the chat if y'all can hear me? Hello, hello. Mic test 1 2 3. Okay, y'all can hear me now. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, cool. So we will wait for people to join up and then we will start our stream. Quality, how is my quality? I need to open it on my phone to see this. I need to share it with everyone as well. Give me 1 second, guys. I just need to put it here as well. Rise up. Okay, yeah. Stream quality is absolute crisp. Now we just need to wait for people to join in. Just need to wait for people to join in. Guys, give me 1 second, I'm just posting it everywhere. My link for the stream. Alright. We will just wait for 2 minutes right now and then we will get on with our market analysis. I've just shared the link everywhere. This is my first time streaming, so welcome everyone, welcome. Yep, I can hear myself, everything is good. We just wait for someone to say hi in chat, and after they say hi, we can continue with the market analysis. Come on guys, join up, someone type in chat, man, so I can get started. Before everyone starts to join in, let me just open this real quick. No, not this. This. NSE's website always bugs, man. So annoying. All good. Nifty 14 July. We don't need the Y data for today, but let's just keep it just in case for people who really want to see it. And here we have the FIDI data. Okay, we have 3 people watching right now. If y'all could just say hi in the chat. It's free. Been streaming for the last how many minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes in. Okay, so I think let's start our stream. And just give me 1 second, please. Give me 1 second, everyone. I just need to take this one. Yep, let's go. Yeah. So as I was saying, let's start the market analysis. Those who want to join can join. Those who don't want to join can't join. That's fine. So today, what happened today? Today we opened we opened gap up. After we opened gap up, we saw some consolidation. We were hanging around here and an upward trending channel. We gave a good move here. This is where my trade was exited here. So after that was done, what we did was we waited and watched. I had this in my head that till the time this is intact, this rally is sustainable and we can see a good upside momentum. But there we have taken resistance here. So now looking forward, tomorrow is the 8th of July. So tomorrow the game plan will be if we open gap up. Okay, I've shared all the pictures already. If we open gap up, gap down, flat to negative, flat to positive, I'll just show it to you here, right here. This is Nifty Bank. So if you are on my Telegram, then you know what to do. But if you are not on my Telegram, then definitely I'll tell you right now. So if we open here tomorrow, let's see how many points is this. If we open 165 or 100 points gap up, because currently the US markets are all in the green. S&P is also SGX is also green. So I think we can open gap up tomorrow. So if we open gap up tomorrow, let's have 35,000. So first my level to watch out is around this Fibonacci. I'll just draw it and I'll show it to you. I think it's from here to here. No mind, it's from here to, where did I draw it from? I forgot where I drew it from. Jesus Christ. Give me 1 second. Yeah, it's from here, I'm pretty sure. Nope. Where is it from? I remember drawing it somewhere from here, man. Yeah, so this is the Fibonacci level I will be looking forward to. So this Fibonacci level is at around 35,020. So if we open here, then what I'm expecting is that we'll take a retracement from here, and then these buyers, and these buyers, they'll book their profits here. Because see, tomorrow's a Friday, tomorrow profit booking will happen, and Bank Nifty has rallied a little too much. Nifty is kind of flat today compared to Bank Nifty, but see, still the overall sentiment was positive. See, look at how many times Nifty tried to break today's range. I have the pivots here. This is my strategy. So 1, 2, and this is just minor red candles. But look at the intensity of this candle. But we still didn't we still didn't touch 16,000 levels, and we still didn't touch the previous day high, which is a positive sign. That means that the buyers are still active. They want the markets to either stay here, because see, right now Nifty is not outperforming because of 2 things. First is the metal sector. Second is the Reliance. Reliance has fallen due to the windfall tax, and metals is a cyclical sector, and metals always tops out and then passes on to energy. After energy it comes to utilities. After utilities it comes to consumer staples, and after consumer staples it comes to banks. So this is the market cycle which goes on, and the export duty of metals has just worsened things even more. So right now my take on Nifty is that tomorrow, Bank Nifty, tomorrow if we open gap up, we'll play the retracement and then we can see an up move. If we open gap up, then we see some immediate selling. If we see some immediate selling, that means that we are still not ready to cross the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So I'll play this range 34,920, and I'll play the range of 34,553. This is the broad base range which I will play tomorrow. if we open gap up and we see a good good momentum towards the downside. Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, okay, we can continue. So I've been really unwell since the last few days, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little gone. I've not been attending school as well, so not been keeping well, but it's fine. All good. So tomorrow, if we open gap up, Bank Nifty, play the retracement, or if we see a huge sharp fall, then we need to play this broad-based range. Why will we play this broad-based range? Because see, buyers are still active, good rally, all the sell-offs are getting bought into. But the thing is that if we open gap up and we see some huge sharp fall, then these buyers will panic. These buyers will panic. These buyers will panic, and they'll quickly exit the positions. So tomorrow, if we open gap up, see some good sharp momentum, play this broad-based range. Tomorrow is a Friday. Even if you don't trade on Friday, it's very good. Just observe the last 1 hour. Because the last 1 hour on Fridays is the most important time, and the first 1 hour of Mondays is the most important time. Okay, and this I have learned from my mentor Devang Mehra. So credits to him. Half of the things which you will see in this analysis is all because of him and other YouTubers. I will share the name. So gap up, wait for the retracement or direct breakdown, then we'll play this broad-based range. If we open flat and negative, if we open here, if we open here, then our first hurdle will be this. If this gets taken out, we'll see some consolidation here, compression and then breakout. Play the range, compression, breakout, whatever trend line, double bottom, double top you see, play that. But this will be an important level. If this gets taken out, then we can see some good momentum to the upside. Also know that this is an overstretch rally. Not only this, but if I zoom out a little, do you see this? This is a sharp up move. So now what I'm expecting is some consolidation, because if we don't consolidate now, we've gone like this, we'll go like this. Thus I'm looking forward to a consolidation. Even in the daily charts, if you see, let me get this out of the way. How many times has Nifty given a very sharp rally, a V-shaped recovery, and it has fallen? Here it has happened, here it has happened, here it has happened a little, here it has happened. So what I am telling you is that we wait for this. We have formed a double bottom and we have formed a bottom here. Now what we need is thoda consolidation and then breakout. That's what we need from the markets right now. Okay, so gap up, flat. I hope you all are clear. So this will be for gap up and flat. Now coming to gap down, if we open here, which I don't think we will, but we should be ready for everything. If we open here, suppose, because see, we'll open 200 points gap down if we 1 second. So if we open here, then it'll probably be a very bad news. So if we open here, what we'll do, we'll play this broad-based consolidation. If this gets taken out, that means the previous day swing is broken, and this indicates bearishness. So if we fall from here, then we'll see some good downfall till at least this level. But I would advise short here. Look at the pivots. I'll show you all the important resistance and supports just a bit. So yeah, I hope that's clear. Gap down, gap up, flat to negative, flat to positive. I hope it's clear. Coming to Nifty, I will quickly just do this real quick. I'll just show you tomorrow's pivots for Nifty. Nifty, if we open gap up about 100 points in Nifty, fair enough. If you open 100 points gap up in Nifty, these are the tomorrow's pivots, guys. This is tomorrow's CPR, this is tomorrow's pivots, the two pivots. Okay, so FYI, if you open here, we'll wait for this retracement, and I'll give you this one important analysis. Okay, just give me 1 second. So what is this? This is called the pointed figure chart. So what this basically tells us, this doesn't have any time. Okay, you draw a lot of trend lines. Yeah, this is much better. Yeah, I know, right, Harsh? So guys, if you have any questions, then make sure to ask me in the down in the comments below. I will answer each and every single question till we don't reach 1000 viewers. Yeah, so this is called the pointed figure chart. So the advantage of this is that this doesn't have time. We have a daily time frame, we have 5 minutes time frame, This doesn't have any time, you see this chart. So basically, when a trend line forms on a pointed figure chart, it is much more accurate than the normal chart trend line, because see, I may draw a trend line like this, you may draw a trend line like this, so it is not accurate. Okay, so that's why we don't follow trend lines a lot, because everyone has a different way of making the trend lines. But in pointed figure chart, it is the same. Okay, and these levels which you see, 16,800, 16,600, these have been broken down a lot of times. See, once this got taken out, see, we fell till 15,700. Once we took a rejection from here, this level 16,750, we saw fall till 15,200. So you can just see the accuracy of the pointed figure chart. This again I've learned from Devang Mehra's webinar. So yeah, I told you half of the things will be from his webinar. So this particular chart is of much importance to me, because this only records big moves. Okay, so the setting on this is meant that every 3 moves, so suppose if Nifty tomorrow, so X is bullish and 0 is bearish. Okay, so I will actually make a separate video on this, or I'll actually make a separate voice note on this, because this is actually a little confusing to understand. But this basically know that this only records big moves. This won't record 20-point moves, this won't record 50-point moves, this only records big moves. See, we took a 15,900 to 16,150. This will get recorded, but we moving from 15,900 to 15,930, that won't get recorded here. So this basically gives us big moves, and this is much more accurate trend line wise. So the trend line for Nifty, since we are on to the Nifty analysis right now, Bank Nifty I've done it, so rewind, and 16,350 is holding an important resistance for Nifty, at least in this thing, what do we call Nifty. So I will go to the daily charts and I'll show you the importance of 16,350, which I have already marked. It is 16,360, but see, as you can see, this is an important level. So I think, so better make a video. Yeah, bro, you know what I have done? I'm so smart that I've downloaded all his webinars. So I'll send it to you, man, don't worry. Okay, so 16,360, this is an important level. 16,350 also, 10 points different, doesn't matter. So that is an important level which you need to look out for. Now coming to the situations in Bank Nifty, I've given Nifty. If you open gap up, wait for a retracement and then a pullback, we'll play for it. Nifty can be trendy today because today was sideways. CPR is also narrow, so I think we can see some good move. If you open flat to negative or flat to positive in Nifty, so if we open here, what do we do? So first we wait for this level to get taken out. Once this level is getting taken out, I think this will definitely get taken out. So if this gets taken out, then we can take a short bullish trade followed by the CPR. If you open near the CPR, we'll wait and watch, because then we know that second half of the market might be trendy, or we might just be consolidating. Friday beach mode. If this gets taken out, sign of weakness. This swing low gets taken out, sign of weakness. If 16,000 gets taken out, sign of weakness. So our main levels, if you open flat to negative or flat to positive, is this level, and this swing. Okay, these are the important things. If you open flat, if you open gap up, this is an important level, and followed by this. Okay, if you open here, this is an important level, and this is an important level, and the CPR will act as a good support, the first TC of the CPR. Okay, so that's it if you open flat to negative and gap up. If you open gap down, so let's say if you open gap down, we won't open gap down, but still I said that we won't open gap up yesterday. So yeah, okay, so if you open gap down, what we'll do, we'll wait for a rejection from here. If we get a rejection from here, then we can take a short trade. We can find support here. If we break this, then we are back in this broad-based consolidation. Okay, not this broad-based consolidation, but we can play the range of 16,000 to 15,888. If we open gap down, and we see a good fall towards the downside. If you open gap down, then I'm pretty sure it'll be some bad news, put in war or something. But yeah, either ways, gap up, gap down, flat to negative, flat to positive, everything is given. Now I will give you my analysis on the market. So what has happened in the market since the last few days, I will quickly tell you all. So what has happened is that from June 1, ever since June 1, things have been very volatile. Okay, we have fall. Yeah. So we have given this sharp fall. After that, we saw one more fall. After that, we saw one more fall. And this is all this inflation drama, recession drama, interest rate drama, commodity drama, FI drama. What else drama was there? Russia drama, Ukraine drama, inversion drama, all this bullshit. Everything was khichdafied, and this is the outcome. Now, I am no economist, I am no technical financial guru, but all I know is that this is just the digestion of the bad news. And once the bad news is getting cooled off, we are seeing some volatility, compression, and a breakout. Now, tell me I'm not making sense here. All of this, big players make the move. We saw this good move. After that was all news, pay news, negative GDP data, recession fear, third time, inversion of bond yield, God knows what else, companies numbers getting hampered, credit growth getting hampered, credit growth getting back, GDP doing good, India's GDP doing good, India's import export current deficit worsening, all this drama. But now we are here. After all those drama, now we are here. The US markets are up 2%. Even after what? This guy, Waller, he said that inflation doesn't seem to come up. Oil is at 100. So what am I supposed to take from this? I am supposed to say that thoda to digestion of the news has happened. So now saw this downfall, volatility, compression, and breakout, and this is a sign of a proper reversal. But I will only be bullish once this level gets taken out. Once the 17,000 level gets taken out, only then will I be bullish. And trust me when I say this. All these short-term reversals, all these mean reversions, they will fail if on July 13th or July 12th, I don't remember the date, US market falls about 3%. If US market reacts negatively on July 12th, then we know all of this drama I'm doing, volatility, compression, all will fail, all will go to hell. Then we can, again see some consolidation between here or something. Because July 13th is the US GDP data, and also followed by which is the inflation data. I hate my charts when I look at it like this. I feel like just fucking doing this. I'm sorry to abuse, yeah, but I hate my charts messy. Okay, so getting back to business. So what I'm expecting is that now is a time for a short-term reversal. Play the levels, play the CPR pivots, play gap up, gap down. But now I'm expecting some halt, okay? Because see, if we continue to go like this now, we're going to end up like this. Because V-shaped recoveries now, V-shaped rallies always get sold off into, and it's considered as a bear rally. If there's some accumulation, which there is here, but still, if there is one more red candle here, then another green candle, then a bigger green candle, then again a red candle, then if that is there, I also like to trade. Because then it's not like what the fuck, what if tomorrow if we open gap down, we see some resistance here. It's not like that. And also we keep an important eye for this level now. Earlier I used to I removed this from my charts completely because the markets fell so much, but now it's back on my charts. The 16,500 and 16,600 level of the 200 moving average. Now 200 moving average has a lot of importance in the market. You can see here, where else? You can see here, up move. Not gonna be biased to the bears. Then where else? Okay, yeah, these are the three examples of the 200 MA. And if you're in the market, then you know the importance of 200 MA. So 200 EMA is MA, whatever you want to call it. There are a lot of moving averages. There is this EMA, where's the EMA? EMA is the same, okay, fine. Then there is the SMA, then there is the VMA. Why is it not moving? Then there is this WMA, whatever, man. There are a lot of MAs basically, but we look for the simple moving average, also known as the daily moving average. 16,540 level is an important level which we will mark. So currently going to the important levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty now and for the upcoming week also, because we are trying out new things. So 16,173, 16,350, this level. And why have I marked this level? Because this is a gap filling level. The 16,173 is a gap filling level. Okay, so watch out for this level, and it's also a pivot for tomorrow. So yeah, coincidence? I guess not. And after that will be this consolidation range of, here we see a rejection, here we saw rejection, here we saw support, here we saw some volatility, here we saw some rejection, here rejection, here rejection. So then we will go in this consolidation range of 16,400 and 16,500, which we all know it has been a pain when we played it. Okay, so yeah, net to net, don't be fully bullish. Wait for some ultra bullishness signs. And right now my take is that market should halt. I've given you the important levels in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, I'll give you the important levels for tomorrow and for the upcoming week. Tomorrow pivots. Hide them. Yep. So this will be an important level. This will be a no trade zone for us. This will be a no trade zone. If we break this, then we'll have a good trade. Take a rejection from. If we take a rejection from this, that's a good trade. If we take a rejection from this, that's a good trade. If we take a rejection from this, that's not a good trade. Okay. So yeah, net to net, we are waiting for some halt, waiting for some stability. Right now things don't look ultra bearish, but they don't look too ultra bullish as well. Some things are there which are supporting the markets, but I feel like these are the important levels which you need to play. This is again the gap filling level, and I usually tend to give more importance to the gaps. So yeah, basically net to net, right now I'm thinking that the market has given this breakout is getting sustained, waiting for a halt. After that halt we can plan for some bullishness, but this year the market should not go anywhere. It should not give any returns because of the current situation that's going on. So yeah, I hope this has been clear. I have taken a lot of your time. I know that it's been how much? It's been 30 minutes. Wow, it's been 30 minutes. Feels like it's been 15. Okay, thanks to that one loyal viewer who's watching. Shout out to you. Coming to the OI data. OI data says that 16,200 as good call writing, 15,000 as good put writing. Okay, fine. 15,900 and 16,000 has good put writing. 17,000 is a good resistance, obviously. Okay, that's Bank Nifty, that's Nifty. 34,000 is a good support, and 35,500 that's a good resistance. FI DI data, DI is bought for 980 crores, FI is sold for 925 crores. FI's intensity is reducing right now. As we move higher, the FI intensity is reducing. That also gives me a sign of bullishness. Okay, these people have not been selling for a lot, and net to net the day ka thing is coming positive, and this is not since the last only 1-2 days. This has been a common occurrence right now, so it's quite unusual. But yeah, FI will keep selling because the DXY, oh my god, Harsh my man, because the DXY, also known as dollar index, has been continuously going up, and our rupee has continuously been going down. So coming to the FI Pro Client DII Index Open Interest data of 7 July. Okay, FIs are basically minus. I don't know how to say this. That minus 3,000 negative derivative quantities, but just figure it out. They are short. These people are long. These people always tend to get trapped because they are the clients, obviously. These people are short. So I don't know. It might be them unwinding all their positions because today was expiry. So we will not get in too much into this. We'll just say that okay, overall today's FI derivatives data will be useless. Today's open interest will be useless because after every Thursday it is used as. Coming to the global markets again, nice. Everything is in green. Coming to sector specific news, everything was up. I gave you in my commentary. I told you in my commentary today. FMCG was minus 0.8, but that's fine. Profit booking that. But yeah. So I think that's about it. I've given you the FI DI data, I've given you the derivative data, I've given you the open OI data, I've given you the important levels, I've given you the psychology will go ahead from. I'll give you the breakout levels, I've given you the situations, gap down, flat to negative, flat to positive, everything. I've given you the sectoral news. There's nothing global news except for Boris Johnson, the British Prime Minister, resigning, but the UK markets don't seem to be carrying at all. So yeah, that's it. And given the important levels, also tomorrow's CPR, tomorrow's pivots, everything has been given to y'all, and I don't know what else can I cater to y'all. Just that, watch out for the 200 day moving average. Watch out for a halt candle, and watch out for Nifty. It might give a good move tomorrow. I've given you the breakout levels. I've given you what can happen and where can we open, etc., etc., etc. If you like this way of live market analysis, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, ask me any questions you want, and yeah. And I will give Harsh a mod because he's the best. Yeah, I will give him mod because he's the only one who typed. Alright, so I think that's about it for the analysis today, and I will meet you tomorrow, on Sunday, with another live stream from today. So yeah, this is everything for today. This is everything that happened in the market. Tomorrow, whatever I've told you, please pay attention to that. We are still bullish. Don't go with a mindset that we are completely bearish. And yeah, that's about it. And with this said, even my F1 2022 has downloaded. So yeah, nice way to kill time and also give myself gyan. So yeah, guys, that's about it. God bless you. Love you all so much, and thank you for everything. Thank you for the support. And yeah, guys, make sure to share the live stream with everyone. And yeah, I think that's about it. And I don't think so there's anything else more. If you have any questions, then I will keep the floor open for 2 minutes. At 1:10 I will completely end the live stream, and I will upload the highlights on the main Telegram channel. Ask me any questions. There's anything else more. If you have any questions, then I will keep the floor open for 2 minutes. At 1:10 I will completely end the live stream, and I will upload the highlights on the main Telegram channel. Ask me any questions. There's anything else more. If you have any questions, then I will. Yeah, so I think in the next 1 minute I will end the stream. Okay, so it's 1:10. I'm going to be ending my stream. I'll send you all the replay. So that's it for the live stream, guys. Stay safe tomorrow. Play the levels. Play the gap up, gap down situations. Be safe. That's it. These markets are tough, I know. If you are an option seller, sell out EMs and make money. If you are an option buyers, the clouds overhead are getting darker, but now they're getting lighter. So yeah, I think that's about it. Explained very well, my boy. Nah, brother, I still have room for improvement. If there was anything I have done wrong, then I'm sorry. And my language will not contain explicit words from tomorrow, and that's a promise. Alright, guys, bye bye. Love you all so much. God bless you. Meet you tomorrow.